Today, we're diving into a crucial topic, SEO for new websites, with a focus on a live example, Talbot.io. It's a pioneering tool for building no-code websites swiftly. And remember, this is part 8 of our practical 8-part SEO series, so if you've missed our previous videos, check out the playlist below to catch up on all the insightful content. Today, we're analyzing Talbot.io on Semrush, where its current traffic reflects the early stage of its SEO journey. Now, let's kick things off with a crucial starting point, selecting a domain name. Your domain is more than an address, it's the first step in brand and SEO alignment. Opt for a concise, memorable name like semrush.com, which reflects your niche and is easy to recall. Now let's focus on 3 essential pillars of a strong SEO foundation. First up is SSL for security. Implementing SSL is not just about safeguarding user data, it also signals to search engines that your site is trustworthy, positively impacting your SEO rankings. You'll recognize a secure site by the padlock icon in the browser, indicating data encryption and enhanced user trust. Next is the absolute necessity of having a mobile-friendly website. In today's digital landscape where most web traffic is mobile, a site that isn't optimized for mobile devices risks losing significant traffic, leads, and revenue. Google's mobile-friendly test can help you gauge your site's performance on mobile devices. Remember, a responsive design and avoiding intrusive pop-ups are crucial for mobile SEO. And this isn't just about user convenience, it's about aligning with Google's mobile-first indexing strategy to ensure your site ranks well. Lastly, speed is key. Fast loading times are crucial for a positive user experience and are a significant factor in Google's ranking algorithm. Utilize tools like Google's PageSpeed Insights to analyze and improve your site's loading efficiency. Remember, in the world of SEO, every second counts. Speed optimization is not just about better rankings, it's about providing a seamless experience for your visitors. Having covered the essentials of security, mobile optimization, and speed, we now turn to a critical aspect of our website's SEO, the site structure and URL architecture. A logical and intuitive site structure does more than just make your website user-friendly. It's a fundamental component that ensures search engines can easily crawl and index your pages properly. So, how do you achieve this optimal structure? Start by sketching a clear skeleton of your site. This includes your homepage, about page, services, contact information, and a blog, each potentially leading to further subpages. Think of this as creating a clear map for both users and search engines. For Talbot, this is the basic sitemap. We have the essential pages up top, the components and design inspiration, and that expands all the way to the bottom. And the blog, which we'll be talking about and expanding into soon as well. Now, once your website is live, it's crucial to regularly audit its structure. With Semrush, you can easily set up a project for your domain and run a site audit. This tool will scan your website, highlighting any issues with crawling or structural inefficiencies. By selecting the number of pages to crawl and setting the website as your crawl source, you'll get detailed insights into any potential errors, warnings, and notices that need addressing. We also can't forget to track our data using tools like Google Search Console and Analytics. These platforms are indispensable in gaining a comprehensive understanding of your site's performance and how users interact with it, offering a wealth of data for informed SEO optimization. Google Search Console, or GSC, is a free tool that provides specific insights into your site's performance in Google Search. To get started, simply open Search Console and choose the domain option, and follow the steps to verify your domain. While it's normal to not see extensive data immediately, especially for new sites, GSC begins to paint a picture of how Google perceives your site and its appearance in search results. Now, with Semrush, you have the unique advantage of directly connecting both GSC and GA4. This integration means all of your essential data is consolidated in one place, streamlining your analysis and strategy development. Additionally, you can delve into backlink analytics to scrutinize your and your competitors' backlink profiles. Use position tracking to monitor your site's daily rankings for target keywords across different locations and devices. Now, with the basics in place, let's move to the cornerstone of our SEO strategy, keyword research. Keyword research is about understanding what potential customers are searching for. Talbot.io offers components for design tools like Figma, Webflow, and Framer. The site itself has 2 main sections, components for website design and a design inspiration gallery. This distinction opens up a realm of keyword opportunities. When we analyze these components on Semrush Keyword Overview, we notice that while individual components might not drive high traffic volumes, targeting a broad range of these keywords could aggregate significant traffic. These are bottom of the funnel terms, and users searching for these are closer to a potential purchase. However, targeting only bottom of the funnel keywords isn't enough. To capture a wider audience, we need to target top of the funnel keywords through our blog. This is where informational search terms come into play. By creating content for these broader terms, especially those related to website building, we can attract a much more diverse audience. In Semrush, typing Webflow, for example, into the Keyword Magic tool and exploring the Questions tab reveals a treasure trove of potential blog topics. Take, for example, how to duplicate a page on Webflow. We can provide a helpful article while recommending a faster way to build on Webflow, all organically through the blog post. Now, beyond the insights we gain from the Keyword Magic tool, conducting a thorough competitor analysis can reveal even deeper insights. And to do that, we need to conduct a comprehensive keyword gap analysis. This process involves identifying keywords that our competitors rank for, but our site, talbot.io, does not yet capitalize on. Using the Keyword Gap tool, we enter talbot.io along with up to 4 competitor domains and click Compare. This allows us to scrutinize a detailed table under the Missing tab, revealing over 200 keywords that our competitors are already ranking for that we're not. These gaps represent golden opportunities for us to create targeted content and fill these voids. Now, we've got a list of keywords. Let's move on to the next step, constructing a content plan. Prioritize creating landing pages for those high-value, low-traffic component keywords. These pages should showcase our service with examples and robust on-page, which we can achieve by doing the following. Number 1, placing our main keyword in critical locations. Incorporate your primary keyword in the H1 tag, your title, your meta description, and URL to signal its relevance to search engines and enhance visibility. Number 2, we want to add unique content to every page. Ensure every page features unique, engaging content to stand out to both search engines and users, avoiding duplicate content penalties. Number 3, implementing structured data for better search result display. Utilize structured data to help search engines understand your content better. This leads to enhanced visibility in search results and can potentially give you higher click-through rates. And finally, structure any additional content with appropriate headers and sections. So organize your additional content with clear headers and sections for better readability and SEO, making it easier for search engines to index and users to navigate. If you're wondering if you've done your on-page correctly, you can always utilize Semrush's on-page SEO checker. By entering your domain, you can access a dashboard full of optimization ideas conveniently categorized. Prioritize these ideas based on the number of optimization suggestions and the potential traffic for each page. Now, with the components exhaustively covered, our next step is to expand our reach to the top of funnel keywords through our informative blog posts. Aim to select 15 to 20 keywords and publish at least 2 articles per week. Remember, the quality of your content is paramount. Ensure it's written by topic experts and follows on-page SEO best practices for maximum impact. So we've made sure we have the essentials for SEO success. We've done some keyword research, created the first pages, and set up our initial content plan. But we can't forget about link building. Link building, if done correctly from the outset, can significantly accelerate our SEO success. Here's how to approach it effectively. Number 1, start with citations. The first step in your link building journey should be to get citations. Citations are mentions of your website on other sites like online directories and industry-specific listings. This is especially crucial for local SEO. Begin by listing your website on well-known directories such as Google My Business, Crunchbase, and other industry-specific sites. These citations not only provide backlinks, but also improve your visibility to potential local customers. The key here is consistency. Ensure your business name, address, and phone number, your NAP, are uniform across all platforms. This consistency boosts your website's credibility in the eyes of search engines. Number 2, try press releases. Press releases can be a powerful tool, especially for new websites. When launching a new product, feature, or significant update, craft a compelling press release and distribute it through various channels. If done correctly, this can attract attention from journalists, bloggers, and industry influencers, leading to high-quality backlinks from news websites and professional blogs. The trick is to make your press release newsworthy and engaging. It should offer real value or news to readers, encouraging publishers to share your story and thereby amplifying your reach and link building efforts. Number 3, and probably the most popular, leverage your industry relationships. One of the most effective strategies for early link building is leveraging your existing relationships in the industry. Reach out to business partners, suppliers, clients, or even industry bloggers and influencers for guest posting opportunities. These relationships can yield joint webinars or collaborative projects, all of which can lead to valuable backlinks. Remember, the quality of links matters more than the quantity. Links from reputable, high-authority sites in your niche are far more beneficial than numerous links from lesser-known, irrelevant sites. And if we actually check the talbot.io domain on Semrush, we'll see we already have a few solid referring domains coming in from some power players in the space. And all of this has come through point number 3, which can be priceless. If you guys found this helpful, leave a like and subscribe. And don't forget to check out the other videos in the playlist, and I'll see you guys in the next one.